So the service on the old girl. Good old VL. All this rust. Tube framing. See, it's ripped off up here as well. Pan hard. Damage over here. Tap on the ambi. On that girl. Yeah, we need to do a bit of a vacuum. It's a bit messy. Got the old paddock in here. Sinker. Another vacuum. Mana. Time for a rebuild. Another sinker. Wonder where this car went fishing. If it did go fishing. You can see this on the side of the road. Got the bro in here doing the mud. 10 years old or thrashing. Finally gonna get some new plugs. See what the road's doing to his car. Some lightweight modifications. These lights, 10 years old. What do you reckon? So chucking these 30 extractors on. What you can do? Smash it in there. Is that the only place it's hitting?
That's the only place, bro.
Yeah, hard.
Other than that, it's just that on that stud.
Well, we only got this to work with. Nah, straight out this side. Straight out here. Cut. Give you a hitting device, eh? What have we got? Where's that little dumpy? On that table, isn't it? Those will go out. No. Fireworks. Got them, I think. Try to pull them up.
Oh, they popped out.
Go that in. Nice.
That's for the tank.
Oh, I don't think that. Still going from there. There goes the damage. So I'm gonna have to do that hole, but pull all that out, cut all that off. Tube frame. Okay. One hole, two holes. Big old VL.